Pag
get a red heart,
get
it means your
the
crush loves you.
red
You have 3 attempts.
she
1, 2,
you
3.
the
No, he
mom
doesn't
is
love me.
love you.
Which one do you think? Leave it in the comments.
Pink pala, pink fishy. I got the pink one. I got the big one. Nasa Pilipinas ako. Nasa Pilipinas ako. Hindi ko to di-order sa dito. Di ba, ma? My mom is love me. Pag you have a red unan, your dad is love you. I love my mom. I love my parents. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu, za, zim, zim, zum, 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 zim, 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 zum. This my all girl. And this one. Pag the yellow you have that you love your baby. No need to look this budget or but you have a book and notebook, okay, page 100, and you have a pen. I have that.